Hello viewers, and a very good afternoon to you all. Today on the Community and the Law program, we are looking at how to register your child to become a British citizen based on private life of the child. There has been policy change, but that policy change goes as far as allowing the child to have settled status, what we call the indefinite leave to remain. And therefore, under paragraph PL 3.1 of the rules that have come up, it says that a child who has been born in the UK and has spent first 7 years of his or her life in the UK can make an application for consideration to become a settled person, indefinite leave to remain. However, such a child should prove that a refusal will be unreasonable and therefore should be granted. This is not for the child to become a British citizen, because it only goes to allow the child to have settled or indefinite leave to remain status. What if you want the child to become a British citizen based on private life? The provision, as far as we have at the moment, allows a child who has been born in the UK, spent first 10 years of his or her life in the UK, to make an application to become a British citizen. In this case, this child should prove that, first off, they were born in the UK and they have lived in the UK for 10 years. Now, how do I prove that I have lived in the UK for 10 years? How do I prove that I was born in the UK? The starting point is your birth certificate to show that you were born in the UK or the child was born in the UK. You also have to prove that whilst in the UK, you have been engaging in activities. So the first point of call will be your educational evidence. So you've been in school from nursery up to the point 10 years, you either be year 5 or year 6 or year 4, depending on whether you were born early or born late. So you have all your primary activity documents, school books, teacher's report, terminal report, all those things to prove that you've been in the UK for 10 years. You can also rely on GP reports, GP letters, NHS letters, and other documentary evidence that are addressed to the child, as far as the child has his or her name on that document. Now, there are instances where the child may be out of country. And if the child was out of country for holidays, obviously it allows for the child to be away. As long as the child wasn't living abroad, then the child does not break the continuous residence rule. So this is what we have brought you today. If you have a child who has lived in the UK for 10 years, you can make application to register the child based on the child's private life. At this point in time, the law also allows you to make an application for the child who has lived in the UK for 7 years, was born in the UK, and on that basis, you make application for indefinite leave to remain. However, you have to prove that refusal of that application will be unreasonable. Thank you very much for making time with us once more. God bless us all.